Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today we're going to be making a treat for all you coffee lovers and keto lovers alike because we're going to be making bulletproof coffee. Now for the uninitiated, bulletproof coffee is simply just coffee that has a few key ingredients in it that's supposed to help boost ketone production in the body, ketone absorption. It's supposed to improve concentration, help metabolism, improve brain power. It has a whole slew of health benefits. And I've got to be honest, I've tried it for a couple of days and it's pretty awesome. Okay, now making bulletproof coffee is really easy. It literally is just 3 ingredients, but the trick with it is that the ingredients have to be right. Okay, so for the 3 ingredients you need for this recipe, you need a good quality coffee, very important. Alright, so the second ingredient you're going to need MCT oil. Now MCT stands for medium chain triglycerides. It's essentially a coconut oil, but it provides your body with a lot of those ketones that you need. And I got it for around $10. And literally you get this entire bottle. Look at how much you get. It's crazy. You only need like a teaspoon or a tablespoon of this stuff per like 16 ounces of coffee. So, I mean, this stuff will last you quite a while. Also be very careful. This stuff is super potent. Super potent. It means if you take too much of this stuff, you'll probably be going to the bathroom a lot. Okay, and the third ingredient you're going to need grass-fed butter. Now, it's important to use grass-fed butter, and you can tell the difference between grass-fed and regular butter by its distinct yellow tint. Grass-fed butter will always be more yellow. Keep an eye out. Yeah, definitely don't skimp on the grass-fed butter. It's super important. Alright, so if you enjoyed today's show, feel free to hit that like button and also share this video because it really does help this channel grow by helping it reach a broader audience. And if you're a real fan of the show, feel free to hit subscribe because why not? It's literally right there. Alright, so he's ready to make some bulletproof coffee. And take it from me, I've tried it for a couple of days and it's pretty damn good. So without further ado, let's do it. Alright, there it is, bulletproof coffee in the bag. Now, try it out for yourself, see if you guys like it. I can tell you this much, I'm having a glass of it right now as I'm recording, so, you know, give it a whirl. I think it's definitely worth it, and the health benefits are pretty noticeable. I do feel really good. I feel bulletproof, which is, I guess, why they call it that. Alright, well that's all I have time for today, so stop by later in the week where we're going to be making Gruyere potatoes au gratin as well as Roberta glazed ham. You don't want to miss either of these, they kind of go really well together. I'll see you guys then.